End of February and what a lovely day. The temperature at the moment swinging by about 10 or 15 degrees each week. It's so weird, but grateful for it today. Started boarding the shed, as you can see, and I've got lots of boards down here that I'm going to be doing the roof and the sides with, starting with the back, just so I can get that boarded and then shove it back. I've changed the design of the roof a little bit, but we'll go through that later because it just makes it easier for me, and I've had a different idea as to how I'm going to bring it out at the front, but we'll go through that when we get to it. But yeah, for now, just going to get on boarding because it's 2 o'clock already. I haven't been here that long, but I want to get on before the weather turns or before I lose the light. So let's get cracking. Okay, I think it's time for me to pack up. Today, the sun's starting to go down. I've got a lot of stuff to pack up, but I've got the roof on. I've got the back on mostly. There's one piece, I'm waiting for a cutout to do that bit, and I've got that side on. So I've just got the front and this side over here to do. So let me show you what I did with the beams in the roof. I doubled up on the back so that they're a little bit higher, which makes the slope a bit more shallow. And I don't know if you can see this because of the light, but I've brought the joists inside the roof so they stop inside now rather than going up, and that was mainly just to stop me getting a big gap here. So this is level now with the front, rather than having a big gap here to fill off each of the joists. Okay, that's me for the day. It's coming up 5 o'clock now, so I'm going to lose the light soon, and it's a Sunday, so I don't really want to be making much more noise after this time, so pack up now. Next time you'll see me, it'll be next week, and hopefully we can get the boarding done. See you in a minute. Okay, that's one boarded shed. I couldn't get down last week, so it's actually the 14th of March today, but very pleased to say that the shed is finished in that respect. So what I've got to do now, the next projects are going to be felting the roof, cutting out some windows, and then feather edging it so that it doesn't look hideous like it does now. So yeah, we're getting there. It's a shelter, at least at the moment, so I can start putting a few things in there that just aren't important but need to keep dry. So yeah, really pleased. So I think I'm going to leave it there for today. I've got to where I want to, and I've got a couple of days off over Easter, on the Easter weekend. So what I'm hoping to do is be able to get down here for a consecutive couple of days, long days, and have the feather edge done and felt the roof as well. So that's the next project. So that will be in 1.5 weeks time, about 10 days time, 11 days time. So really looking forward to that. I've got to go and grab the felt and the feather edge now. I'll have a measure up and then go and buy it. So yeah, our progress is slow, but we're getting there eventually. And yeah, I've got lots of other things to do, so I'm going to have a potter around now, do some tidying up, do some more sewing, and concentrate on actually growing some veg rather than just the shed, which is taking up most of the time down here at the moment. So anyway, I'll sign off there. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll probably see you in a couple of weeks.